Many people they celebrate Father's Day today, but na very few people they understand the pains wey responsible fathers dey face through for their life. A responsible father no be person wey just born pikin. No. A responsible father na person wey know im duties as a father, wey dey wake up every morning, dey reason how im go take better the life of im family, make im children no suffer for future. A responsible father na that father wey dey provide money for food, wey dey provide money for rent, wey dey provide money for hospital bills, wey dey pay school fees for im children, wey dey take care of the future of im family, dey plan for the betterment of the family. Na that person be responsible father. Most of the times, you go see them, dem go dey bold, dey encourage their family, dey encourage their children, whereas nobody dey encourage them, and they need encouragement too. Many fathers dey deny themselves of luxuries and comfort, make im better for their children and their family. You go see fathers, they go dey wear old clothes, but the children go dey wear new clothes. Dem go dey reason, dey try, dey crack brain how to solve the family problem, how to carry every member of the family along, how to make family move forward, how to make life better for im family. But sometimes you go dey see say some children no dey even say common thank you to their father. They no dey even appreciate wetin their papa do for them. Yes. Abeg, try to dey appreciate your father. Say thank you to am, especially if you get papa wey know im responsibility, wey carry you well. Yes. Even some people, the only thing wey dey remember na wetin their papa no do for them. E no good make person dey ungrateful o. Try show appreciation, try dey grateful to your papa. Yes, for this life, no be when im die, you go remember say, when my dad was alive, he was a very nice man to me. No, no be when im die, you go give am a befitting burial. A burial wey be say millions of naira go cost or go comot from your pocket. Yes, that money wey you go use give am befitting burial when im die, use even 5% of am to appreciate am now when im dey alive. Yes, for my fellow fathers, my advice to una be say, make una no dey discouraged for your efforts, for your sacrifices in seeing that the family, that your children move forward in life. Yes, your effort and your sacrifices fit no dey noticed today, but for posterity, yes, dem go really notice am, say this my papa do better thing for me, im do better thing for the family. Therefore, real fathers no be the fathers wey dey make loudest noise, but na fathers wey dey bear the pains, wey dey carry the family along, wey dey defend the family and the children, and wey dey plan better life for their family. Yes. I wish you, my correct people, happy Father's Day. Yes. I love you all, my fans. Celebrate your papa now when he die alive. Yes. Celebrate your papa now when you dey see am. No be when he die, you go begin to say, had I known When my papa died alive, I would have bought him this. I would have bought him one car. Do am now. Yes, when you get the opportunity. Yes, I love you all, my fans. Happy Father's Day once more. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, as na the only way to give me offering for my channel. And also tell your father happy Father's Day for this channel. I love you all, my fans. Bye.